Are you looking for the best drone for photography? In this video we will look at some of the best drone for photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The Potensic Atom SE has many of the same features as the DJI Mini 4, but with lower price attached. It's true that the competition has a superior camera and obstacle avoidance, but otherwise, the Potensic matches the DJI pretty much across the board, including its battery power. While it may not match up against DJI perfectly, the tiny drone still boasts a 4K HD camera with stabilization tech to help take clear 12MP photos in 4K footage at 30 frames per second. It also has a control system with 3 modes, including video, normal, and sport, and plenty of tracking modes. For any amateur flyers, this allows you to tailor your experience to the type of activity you want to try out. A GPS-assisted return home button sets the drone to fly back to you in case of emergencies. It can withstand level 5 wind. The Atom SE is a frequently recommended value-forward product from Reddit drone enthusiasts. Several user reviews say that the Atom SE is great for beginners and experienced users alike and comment on its easy software, surprisingly well-made construction, and terrific controller. However, some say its lack of obstacle avoidance can make flight feel risky for new users who lack sufficient flying skills. Number 2. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Drone. If you're seeking out top-quality cameras and a powerful motor, there is no better option available right now than DJI's newest flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. This long-awaited update boasts over 50 minutes of continuous flight time without needing to land for a battery swap or to recharge. According to DJI, it can fly more than 25 miles in that time. Beyond its improved mechanics, what sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart from other options is its camera stack. It features 3 cameras, provide different apertures for HD, portrait style, and far-range photos, respectively. As for video, DJI claims that the cameras can shoot 6K footage in 60 frames per second, beating out every other option on this list by a fair margin. The Mavic 4 Pro also comes with a number of built-in features including a 360-degree rotating gimbal and upward angle of up to 70 degrees. The drone is also equipped with obstacle sensing technology to prevent crashes or mishaps while filming. While the total creator combo is expensive, you get a complete starting kit, with a carrying case, 3 batteries, a charging station, and DJI's flagship remote control, the RC Pro 2. This remote control works in tandem with your smartphone so you have a physical controller and can use the phone exclusively for the live camera footage. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. This compact and affordable from Potensic was impressive for a number of reasons, but stood out the most for its controller and camera. Firstly, its controller works in tandem with your smartphone. Using the provided cable, I connected my smartphone directly to the controller and it immediately worked as a video panel. I was able to see what the Atom 2 saw through my phone screen while using the joysticks for accurate and responsive movement. The lack of lag between the phone and the drone allowed me to comfortably control it even when it was fully out of my eye line. The video camera is also incredibly high quality, especially at the price point. The 4K video resolution led to some incredibly clear footage and looked great even when subjects were in motion. The drone is also quite compact. The 4 legs all fold in and the propeller blades folds back so the entire device fits easily in your hand and packs efficiently in the carrying case alongside the controller and backup batteries. This made it easy for me to bring with me on the train without a massive bulky box or shoulder bag. Number 4. HoverAir X1 Drone. Although some question whether it's an actual drone, Redditors who have experience with DJI and Potensic say it's undeniably convenient and fun, and we agree. The HoverAir X1 fits in the pocket of a pair of jeans, is simple to use, and has a camera quality that's on par with an iPhone. Download the user-friendly app and it's up and flying in minutes. It has 7 autonomous flight modes that follow you, and 1 manual mode that you control from your phone. It has obstacle avoidance, but it's limited to only objects in front or below it. During testing, I found the autonomous flight mode impressive and surprisingly reliable. The camera locks onto the user and then follows the flight mode you choose. It automatically stops if it loses sight of you and emergency lands if it comes in contact with anything. In fact, even when I was running and actively trying to evade it, the drone kept up pretty comfortably. This makes it ideal for tagging along and shooting footage of you riding a bike or even snowboarding without getting lost. It won't be doing barrel rolls or shooting cinematic footage, but the Air X1 is a practical drone for getting some pictures and videos that's fun and easy to use. Number 5. DJI Flip Fly More Combo Drone. This drone with camera for adults 4K features full coverage propeller guards made from lightweight carbon fiber, providing comprehensive protection for you. Enjoy your time with the drone. Weighing under 249 g, this drone with camera doesn't need FAA registration or remote ID in America. It's compact, convenient, and ideal for your travels. With subject tracking, your subject stays in focus. Whether you're hiking or having a party, this drone for adults acts like your personal cinematographer, capturing every move. The larger sensor in this drone with camera captures more light, delivering clearer images with vivid detail, ideal for capturing both scenery and portrait. Capture the beauty of sunrise and sunset with ultra-high-definition video. This drone with camera offers an exceptional visual experience, making every moment look breathtaking. Leave battery concerns behind. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, this drone for adults can capture more moments and explore further without interruptions. Includes the DJI Flip RC2 remote controller with a high bright screen, 3 batteries for extended flight time, a parallel charging hub, and more. Ideal for maximizing your flying experience.